In this video, we will learn how to conjugate the verbs in the past tense with the help of the rule and an example. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi.
Passé composé.
This is the most important tense in French. It is used to express completed actions or events that occurred at a specific point in the past. It is often used when we talk about completed actions, repeated actions, and series of actions. It is formed by combining present conjugated form of auxiliary verb and past participle of the main verb. In French, we have two auxiliary verbs,
Avoir.
and
Être.
so it is very important that you know the conjugation for both these verbs. Which auxiliary verb to be used will be taught in another lesson. For now, just remember that most of the time we use conjugated form of the auxiliary verb.
Avoir.
We have already learned the present conjugation form of the verb.
Avoir.
Let's take an example of the verb
Manger.
to build past tense conjugation. To complete the conjugation, we will also need the past participle of this verb. The past participle of this verb is
Manger.
now. We have present conjugation of auxiliary verb and past participle of the main verb. Let's combine them to form past conjugation of the main verb. I have eaten.
J'ai mangé.
You have eaten. Informal way.
Tu as mangé.
He has eaten. Masculine.
Il a mangé.
She has eaten. Feminine.
Elle a mangé.
We have eaten. Informal way.
On a mangé.
We have eaten. Formal way.
Nous avons mangé.
You have eaten. Formal way.
Vous avez mangé.
They have eaten. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils ont mangé.
They have eaten. Group of only females.
Elles ont mangé.
Here is the summary of this conjugation in tabular format. I hope now you have basic understanding about verb conjugation in past tense. In coming videos, we will see how to conjugate some more verbs in past tense. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.